to be here in Sampola, one of the most well-known suburbs of Pori, Finland. I have also filmed in Sampola before and in Pori, but now it's the second time. Because there are more elevators here. The capacity is 5 persons and 400 grams. And it's nice because here on this notice board, it's in both official languages, in Swedish and Finnish, there's a notice. There are 4 floors here. It was also built in 1999, turned 20 years old last year, 2019, and the serial number is 1K2601, capacity is 5 persons and 400 grams. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021.
Valmistettu vuonna 1999. Sanona on P1 KE 2601. 5 henkilöä 4 kilogrammaa.
Not only did this turn 20 years old last year, also last year it was inspected last time.
Yeah.
Tarkistettu kiva inspektoinnin ja huolittu Otiksen ja Craftiksen toimesta.
Do you have any information about how old this building is?
No.
Old in 1970s.
Yeah.
Maybe early or mid 1970s. You can check it. That's it.
That's